Good afternoon and welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, November 5th. You know what you do at my house on Fridays? Yeah, plant. Come on, let's plant. Now that I have the cold frame set up, this is the perfect time to show you exactly what I wanted to do. On the south side here is a beautiful area we can go ahead and plant in. We're going to do it just like we did with the greenhouse. Looks like it did its job. We got lucky. We missed the freeze. Since it's going to be nice for the next few days, let's go ahead and get some more spinach and lettuce in for Christmas. On the south side of the cold frame is a beautiful spot to plant in. Now what we're going to do, for when it gets cold, we're going to go ahead and lean a frame up against here with some plastic, and we're going to extend our cold frame out. So just like the rest of it, go ahead and pull the mulch back down the soil. Then we're going to go ahead and set our frame right here with a little plastic on it. It'll be a beautiful little mini cold frame. So let's go ahead and get a little lettuce and a little spinach in. Both don't mind the cold at all. This way we have something to supplement the stuff that's going in the big cold frame. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the square foot methodology. This is going to be lettuce. This here will be spinach. And we're just going to kind of broadcast seed. We're going to do the roost out method. And since this is going to be lettuce and spinach, whatever comes up, we're going to thin this out and eat it as we go. So just kind of scatter your lettuce around. We're going to plant some big ruffles. Now these seeds are a little bigger. You kind of can pay attention. I'm going to do about 3 per row. Space them out. This will be a square foot type method. We kind of want one in the back there. We just barely pat these over, a little light cover of soil. You know, Ruth Stout style. She just dropped them and patted them. And we've done pretty well starting to do that. And we're also going to do some baby leaf. Lightly pat that in. And that's all there is to it. We're going to have some more spinach and lettuce by Christmas. You can do this too. It's not that hard. With just a little pre-planting, a sheet of plastic and an old frame, a couple hay bales, you'll be successful at winter gardening. I do want to thank you for stopping by and spending a few minutes on this Friday evening to help me plant some Christmas spinach. Remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.